was real. I could see the city light.